everyone, so we're back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join Involve Asia's JD.ID affiliate program. With roughly 4.8 million users to their website each month, it'll be very easy for you to promote and convert products from this website. I will show you a simple 4-step guide on how you can join JD.ID affiliate program. Let's get started. 4 steps to join JD.ID affiliate program. Step 1. Create a publisher account with Involve. Before you start promoting JD.ID, you need to register as a publisher at Involve. You can skip to step 2 if you already have an Involve publisher account. Register here if you don't have an Involve publisher account with us. It will take roughly 1 to 2 business days to get your account approved. Step 2. Log into your publisher account. Once your Involve publisher account has been approved, log into your dashboard by clicking here. Step 3. Search and apply for JD.ID affiliate through your Involve dashboard. The next step is to find and apply JD.ID affiliate program from your publisher dashboard. On the top left menu on your dashboard, click Partner and click Advertiser Directory from the drop-down. Available brands for you to promote to your audience will appear. To apply for JD.ID, follow the next step. Type JD.ID in the search bar and make sure you have selected Indonesia in the country search bar. Click on JD.ID. A brief description of JD.ID affiliate program will appear. Click Apply to request for approval. Step 4. Wait for your approval. Wait for your application to be approved, usually within 1 business day. Once you have been approved, you can start generating affiliate links and start promoting JD.ID products to your online followers. How to generate your JD.ID affiliate links. To create a link to a specific product or a category page, use our deep link generator. It's easy. Just follow my steps. We'll use an example if you want to promote, let's say, iPhone 11. Go to JD.ID website and copy the URL for the product that you want to promote. Next, log into your publisher dashboard. On the top menu, click Promotion and from the drop-down, choose Deep Link Generator. You will arrive on this page. On this page, you have to choose your property if you have more than one property. Paste your copied URL from JD.ID. Then you have to click Generate. Your affiliate link will appear on your right screen. Copy your affiliate link and insert that link into your content. Now you're ready to earn money from promoting products on JD.ID. Start earning and promoting JD.ID products now. Log into your publisher dashboard or register as a publisher with Involve.